Alright guys, hey, it's Biff here from FearlessMods. Today what we're going to do is work on the Volkswagen GTI again. One of the few cars that we still have left here that we can work on in the garage. What we're doing this time is, in the past we had painted the brake calipers on the fronts and rears, and at one point last year the rear caliper, one of them came loose. A component broke on it and allowed the caliper to actually fall off, and he lost brakes as he was heading down a parking garage spiral, and that you can see here where he got into the curb a little bit there, just coming around that spiral, and then he was able to use the emergency brake to get it to stop. But because it was at college and not here at home, we had to have it towed to a shop so that they could work on it and replace them, and of course they don't paint them. So now it's time to get these painted again and put them back together in a way that doesn't allow them to come undone or for the parts to break again. Because it bends them? Because of pinch welds. Yeah, it seems like it bends them over all the time. That's all right. My latest experience with pinch welds was the STI, because of his off-road excursion. Yeah. It had bent a lot of the pinch welds all the way back on both sides.
Well, then you can just use a lure.
Yeah, but that's why the right side, I couldn't get the that little body skirt piece.
Oh yeah.
To snap on there too. See, I don't like doing this. There's not. Yeah, and then I would put the jack stand, not on the pinch weld, back here on
the suspension.
So you've got. So there's a curve here. He's on the pinch weld. And I've got the jack stand here, up here on the forward edge of this suspension component. There's the pivot point right here, and that's where that's resting right into the cradle of the jack stand.
So that means it's actually meant for it. Is that metal?
Yeah, that's suspension. So let it slowly down on
pretty hollow metal.
Good. Yeah, and now you got both wheels off the ground. And that's crazy.
Good.
Yeah, you're completely off.
Okay.
So it went from the left front being off the ground to the right rear being off the ground. Now we'll go ahead and put another jack stand on the other side to be safe. I would never work under this thing with just one jack stand holding the entire back off the ground. But easy enough, we could undo this and we could pull this off and clean it, not on it, and that way we don't get overspray and stuff, and then put it back on. That's got quite the contraption there with the emergency brake. We might just want to leave that on there and not mess with that.
Yeah, since they messed it up last time.
Yeah. Yep. All right. So we're gonna just paint them on there. Change of plans. So brake cleaner will remove paint, so you want to be careful with getting overspray and stuff, or wipe it off pretty quickly. That much of a limited space to work in, that's about all you can do. But I think it'll be good enough. The problem is your pads get painted too. So I'd say get the painter's tape and start taping up around all this stuff. It doesn't matter if we hit this again, I think that'll be okay. But tape up all of this and around in here so we can paint these two components at least.
Oh, it's right here.
So this is the self-etching timer. Yeah, I got this. I'm going to hold this back in behind there for some of that chain. You don't have to worry about all that too much. Okay, let's get up the other side and get that one going. and then trying to get kind of up and down in that that middle part a little bit. GTI has landed. Alright guys, so that's just a quick down and dirty job trying to get the calipers painted back to red. A couple ways to do it. Last time we did it, we took them completely off. That was a huge pain in the butt. This time it was much easier just to mask everything off, clean it up with a brake cleaner and a wire brush, prime it with some self-etching primer, and then coat it with the high temp paint. So quick easy job, they look a ton better, and now we're back to matching the front calipers. So good to go. Thanks for watching Fearless Mods. Happy to have you with us. Sorry this was a short one, but I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later.